Okay, Dennis Menefee, correct?
Yes, sir.
It is case 16, CRA 2469, and you have a public defender standing by you, and in this matter, are you going to at least temporarily represent him in this matter?
Yes, Your Honor, it is our intention to send representative, now received the complaint, ask that a preliminary hearing be set, and assert both his Fifth and Sixth Amendment rights at this time, and his right to remain silent.
All right. Now, Mr. Menefee, you've been charged in this case on count one with one count of kidnapping. It's a first-degree felony. You did knowingly, allegedly, knowingly and willingly force a juvenile victim into your vehicle against her will and committed a sex offense therein. This is a first-degree felony. If you're convicted, you can receive anywhere from 3 to 11 years in the penitentiary. If you have a previous violent felony, which you may, then you can get an additional 1 to 10 years on that count. You've also been charged with one count of rape of an individual under the age of 13. If you are convicted of that charge, you can receive life in prison without the possibility of parole. Okay, now, we are going to set these cases for a preliminary hearing. Preliminary hearing is designed to show that these crimes were committed, that you probably committed them. There's a probable cause hearing. That will be set for October the 7th at 9 a.m. in this courtroom. Now, regarding bond, does the prosecutor have any, I think there's a preliminary bond set. Does the prosecutor wish to address the issue of bond?
Yes, Your Honor. May it please the court, we would ask $1 million bond on each felony for a combined bond of $2 million.
Okay, is there anything from the defense in this matter? Mr. Rainey?
Your Honor, at this time, I'd just say that these are, right now, allegations against my client. I would ask that bond be set pursuant to the court's schedule. The state hasn't brought forward any evidence besides the allegations themselves that would warrant $2 million in bond.
Okay, well, I am going to set the bond at $2 million because of the, number one, the severity of the charge, the possibility of life in prison without possibility of parole, and his to secure his appearance in court. There are also a couple of misdemeanor charges of assault and aggravated menacing. They're first-degree misdemeanors. Those, I will enter not guilty pleas for him on those charges.
Yes, Your Honor.
They'll be set for pretrial on the same day, October the 7th at 9 a.m. Okay, is there anything further in this matter from the state?
No, Your Honor.
From the defense?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay, we can go back with the opposition. Okay, next case will be Richard Snyder, and I think they're going to be bringing him up from the jail. Until they do, this court's going to take a very brief recess. I'll be out momentarily. You folks do not have to rise. This court